This is the last question. The right answer can bring him $1 million to take home. Lambert, are you ready? Yeah, I'm ready. Okay then, listen. Assume you are a Hong Kong resident. You own a piece of land in Taiwan and rent it out. Will this income be counted in Hong Kong's A, GDP, or B, GNP? I've only heard about GDP. Have absolutely no idea about GNP. So GDP should be a better choice. The answer should be A. Are you sure? Yes. All right, then let's see if your answer is correct. Oh, the correct answer is B, GNP. I'm sorry that you are wrong. Oh, I had a 50% chance of winning, but I still lost. This was a fatal mistake. His final prize money is nothing. What a turnaround.
Do you know the difference between GDP and GNP? Do you know the limitations of GDP statistics?